If you are looking for a unique themed Airbnb right in the heart of Delhi, I found a hidden gem that you must check out.
दिखने में तो this looks like any other normal apartment, but wait till I take you inside.
Welcome to Caves by Crafters, a cave-themed Airbnb tucked away in Vasant Kunj, and yes, it's exactly as wild as it sounds. I decided to spend an entire day here with my friends to see if this place is really worth the hype. From the outside, it looks pretty unassuming, but the moment you walk in, it's like stepping into a different world. Uneven walls, narrow winding lanes, moody lighting. They've done a pretty impressive job making it feel like a real cave. It's dark, it's cozy and quirky in all the right ways.
अगर आप गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स के बहुत बड़े फैन हो तो यहाँ तो आना बनता है बॉस।
We booked ourselves a jacuzzi suite, and let me tell you, the room carried the cave theme right through. Dim lighting, rocky texture and a surprisingly luxurious in-room jacuzzi made it feel straight out of a fantasy movie. As soon as my gang arrived, it was time for us to order some pizza and catch up on all the gossip. So that's exactly what we did. After all that gossip, it was time to hit the jacuzzi, or so we thought. Just as we were about to get in, the lights went out and then came the thunder and the downpour.
हमारी किस्मत इतनी खराब है, जैसे ही हम तैयार हुए जकूजी में घुसने के लिए
लाइट चली गई। मतलब इतना बैड लक किसको होता है?
बाहर कहा जा रहा है कि आंधी चल रही है, सो वी डोंट नो कि लाइट कब आएगी, कितने बजे आएगी।
So we scrapped the jacuzzi plan for a bit and headed to the garden area to enjoy the cool breeze and watch the rain. Surprisingly, that turned out to be one of the most peaceful parts of our stay. 2 hours of rain, laughter and some much needed downtime.
अब इतनी अच्छी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, बट इतना जोर से तूफान चल रहा है।
आफ्टर दिस रेन इस प्रॉपर्टी का मजा बहुत ज्यादा मतलब 10x हो गया।
एसी वाली हवा है गाइस, एसी वाली हवा है, एकदम
मजा आ गया।
Finally, the power came back and we made a second attempt at the jacuzzi, and this time it was a success.
Our room has an inbuilt jacuzzi, and all you couples out there, if you're looking to impress your partner, this is your cue.
After that, we made our way to the private theatre room, and this space was such a vibe. Big screen, disco lights, speakers and even a gaming console. Perfect for those date nights, chill hangouts or even throwing a mini party. The best part, you can book this room on an hourly basis. We ended our night with some hot food, some ghost stories and even a bit of art and craft. Yes, the chaos was real, but the memories worth it all.
Now it's a wrap from our end. It's already 1:30 and we've done almost everything. It's been a lovely experience here at Caves by Crafters. Bye!
Do you know of any other unique themed Airbnbs around Delhi and India? Drop them in the comments and we are always on the lookout for the next escape. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Until next time.